Hello my friends, it's Jessica and welcome back to a brand new Goodwill Thrifting adventure. I hope everyone is having a great week. So I found some really nice items on today's trip. I found 2 gift items and 1 useful item for my home. I will share everything that I purchased at the end of today's video, but first let's browse Goodwill and see all of the interesting things that caught my eye on today's trip. If you are new here to my channel, thrifting is a hobby of mine. I do mainly purchase home decor, useful items, and the occasional gift for friends and family. So if you enjoy thrifting content like this, I do post new videos on my channel every week. I would love to have you here, so consider subscribing and say hello down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. So enjoy the music, and I'll be back a little bit later on in today's video to share with you what I purchased. So the first item I purchased on today's trip will be a gift, and it's this brand new Studio Ghibli puzzle that I found. It was only $2.99, and I will be giving this to my daughter. She loves Studio Ghibli movies, so this is perfect for her. The next item I purchased on today's trip was that gorgeous jellyfish paperweight that I found. This thing was heavy. I was actually really surprised how heavy it was. It was only $4.99, and I will also be gifting this to someone. The last item I purchased on today's trip was that glass jar with the lid. It was only $4.99, so I thrifted 3 of these several years ago. I actually recently broke one of them, so this is the perfect replacement for it, and that is everything that I thrifted on today's Goodwill trip. If you are new here to my channel, this is Peanut. She is my assistant and thrift haul inspector, and she did approve of everything that I purchased today, and we both want to thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope it inspires you to go out and go thrifting for yourself. You never know what kind of treasures are waiting out there for you. And if you want to check out some more of my thrifting content, I did leave 2 more videos on the screen here to check out.